It is time for Motivation Monday. You've probably heard the old saying that if you fail to plan, you're planning to fail. And we can find that in our Power of a Plan. Leadership expert, public speaker, and author Pete Blank joins us now. Good to see you. Have you with us?
Hello. My wife and myself are planning a wedding for this weekend.
Oh, really?
So I thought that this might be a topic for myself.
Because you definitely don't want that to fail. But it's not. So who's getting married?
My daughter's getting married.
Congratulations.
On Saturday. Thank you. So we've been planning for 6 weeks, but now we're even planning this week to plan what we're going to plan for the day. It's just a constant state of planning.
All right. Well, how do we navigate planning this so we don't have a failure?
Well, the first thing is it brings you peace of mind. So I think if you plan, you're like, okay, this is going to work out. So whether it's something as simple as a handwritten list that I made this morning with things that I have to accomplish, whether it's a date timer, a planner where you write stuff down, whether it's sticky notes. I think the idea of trying to get a sense of peace, whether you're planning a family vacation or planning a trip for the kids or planning to the state parks that we just heard about.
Right.
What do we got to bring? What do we have to do? What do we have to get done? And I think that sort of peace of mind, it doesn't feel like you've lost everything.
I can kind of relate to that. I know when I was planning the trip to Japan, there was so much to do.
Yes.
But it helped me prioritize, okay, these are the things I need to try to see.
Right, and that's the second part is even because you write it down, this goes back to the whole Franklin Covey and Stephen Covey planning idea. I have 75 things here I have to do. I'd better go back and mark them high, medium, low, urgent, or I'll work on the things that are most fun first, or I'll work on the things that aren't as important first. So you still got to prioritize. Like you said, it's not just making the list of going to Japan, it's what's most important to get done at this moment.
And this may not exactly tie in, but I do know that I would always make a list. And when I start to check stuff off, it feels good.
Janice and I were just talking about that. She's like, doesn't it feel good when you check things off?
Yeah.
And so there's this confidence when you've got 80 things to plan for the week. And at the end of the day, things are highlighted, things are checked off. And this can be done digitally on a phone. I'm old school like you. I like to have it handwritten.
Right.
But to just try and wing it, if you've got a big event or a big thing you're trying to plan, a family reunion, don't do that. Planning does all these things for us.
Well, I hope you got everything planned out. Everything goes off without a hitch. But even if it does, it's okay.
We'll find out next Monday when I come back in and talk about how to recover from a nightmare. So
all right. Thank you, Pete. Appreciate it.
All right, buddy.
Up ahead, we're going to find out what's up on Fox.